What's up, guys? Another monster here, anothermonsterproductions.com. Today I want to show you how you can scan with FL Studio 20 for new VST plugins that you may have just installed or added in a folder, directory, or whatever. So this video is assuming that you've already installed your plugin, you know what folder it's in, and the next step is getting it on FL Studio so that we can use it. So what we do is we open up FL Studio, we click Add, click More Plugins, click Manage Plugins, and then this is a complete list of all the plugins that you should have access to right now. Over here on the left, you'll notice it says Plugin Search Paths. And what this means is when we scan for our new plugins, these are all the different folders on our computer that FL Studio is going to search through in order to try and find the plugin. So real quick, check through all these folders and make sure that you have your new plugin installed in one of those folders. If not, go ahead, click this button right here. This is going to allow you to add a new folder in there, and then just go through your computer, find the folder which you've installed your new plugins, and click OK. And then go up here and click Start Scan. And the scan should take about a few minutes. And once it's finished, you should have access to your new plugins. So if you scroll through here, you'll see generally they'll be in a different color. So all these are white, these are all the old ones, and this is a new plugin here. It's yellow. So then if you want to actually go in and use your plugin, let's say it's a synthesizer or an instrument or some sort of synthesizer plugin, then we go back here to add more plugins. And we can go ahead and just click on it directly in here, load it up, and start making music. Now, if it's a plugin that goes in the mixer track, we want to go to our mixer, which is this button here. And any of these slots we can click and click more plugins up here. And then we're going to have access to all of those plugins here. So hopefully that makes sense, and I hope you got some value out of this video. If you have any questions about anything, go ahead, leave that in a comment down below, and I'll do my best to answer any questions you may have. If you got some value out of this video, go ahead, hit the like button, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it if you do that, and don't forget to hit the bell notification as well, because that's going to let you know every time I release new videos in the future. So until next time, guys, I will see you in the next video.
And I'm about to pop it.